So today we're going to talk about this wonderful light, the GVM 520 LSR bicolor. Happy doing everyone. This is Dario from mediaboxentlab. If you're just coming back, I will, like always, I say thank you. But if this is the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel by clicking right in the side. Like always, notification bell. Why? Because that way you know next time we release a video, they will help you on your next project. Your next project is lighting. So the light I have today is the GVM 520 LRS. Actually, 520 LED. This one is a bicolor, means we can go all the way from 3200 Kelvin all the way to 56 Kelvin. And then for a second, if you wonder what is the difference between 3200 Kelvin, 56 Kelvin, well, let's say 32 Kelvin is early morning, nice orange sun, and then the beautiful afternoon, you see those famous pictures, those famous wedding pictures, right? Those are the late afternoon. And 56 Kelvin is famous 12 o'clock or noon time. The sun is bright, nice, so they call it daylight, right? And mostly what we use in the studio. Now, about the light, what I like, everything is aluminum. I love Lurionite. I love the color. There are different colors, but we can choose. I think it's a green one. I love the red one. I like that it has a big display here. They show you the kelvins, and they show you also when you dim the light, they show you from 10% minimum all the way to 100%. And also, we can put here the 7.2 Sony battery. That's what I use. I use in all my studios right now, it runs out of battery. So you can use the power cord with the transformer. The nice thing is works with the 110 240, so if you have to use it, you can use it anywhere around the world. That's very important, right? But I always recommend the batteries. So if you want to buy the batteries, I'll leave you the link right below this video. Now the lights, you can set the lights and master with slave. So that is nice. If you set one a master, another one is slave, when I control one light, it will automatically control the next light. Now, you can control also with the Wi-Fi application. What you need to do is create a local network between the lights. Now, the secret to do that, you have to start off, we're going to make one light a master, right? So they say this light is a master, and this one is a slave. And it's pretty simple. When you turn it on, right over here, it says okay. When you press right over here, and it says percentage P, you're going to press right over here, and this one light up. So when two light up, it means that one is a slave. So one, it needs a one a green LED light, and the second one, it needs a 2 LED light. So let's turn it on. Put it pretty simple right now. We'll leave it on that on, and it's like, oh, I don't see anything there. It's the application. So I connect to the light. Let's turn it on. Magic. See? Come on. Let's turn it off. By the way, I didn't show you that. They got a nice band doors here, so when you finish, you can close the light. Comes with the tripod, so it comes with two tripods, 70 inches high. And it comes with the liner, a safety liner, in case you're going to hang this up in the ceiling, like my legs right now. So you have a nice two liners in the base. Comes with the base, comes with everything. So when you finish, you can take everything. And again, we see like the other one. Right now, I'm power this. We can power with the power supply. Again, I like this aluminum, big here to hold it. So that's real nice. And the filter, right? The soft diffuser. So what I did, I put one with diffuser, and this one here doesn't have a diffuser. So let's turn it on. Remember that you can control with the application, and right there. Well, we can control that manually. I can come here right now and change to 32 Kelvin. You see it changed there, and we see the number 32 there. That's 3200 Kelvin. You see me saying 32, it's the K on it. So 32K, and right over here, it's changing. You see it's changing that one there, right? And then from here, 10%, if I move this 1 second, this is 10%, and I can bring this all the way to 100%. So in the application, I can change, and let's pay attention to here, right now, on 99, see, the light 99, we bring it down. And let's bring that down right now. I see that's a lot of light here, so it takes a second, right? So it's coming down right now. And I'm gonna bring, that was 3200, so I'm gonna change the kelvins, and I'm gonna bring the kelvin to 56. So now we have 56. Everything control through through an application. Let's turn over so you guys can see the LEDs. And right there, so this one was with the diffuser, and this one is no diffuser. Turn it off, right there. So beautiful lights. If you're looking to upgrade your studio, if you started now with the photograph filming and you're looking some lights, portable lights, easy to use, you can plug it in anywhere. And if you use the batteries and you get I would recommend get the biggest you can. My batteries right now are 8,000 milliamp per hour and running for a while. I have no problem at all. Because all the lights is hanging out from the ceiling right now, so I don't want no wires at all. So get a pair of 8,000 milliamp per hour, and that will get you a nice set of pictures or films. So what I'm going to do now, like always, I will leave the link right below the video. If you have any comment or anything, let me know right below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.